folks. This is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. Let's go. Listen, hey, do you guys like my energy? Listen, I know I have a lot of energy in these videos here, and smash the like button if you enjoy it. Listen, if you ever want to make money online with anything that you do, energy is necessary. The only people that have no energy are poor, broke, average people. So let's get it here. In this video here, real quickly, I'm going to show you how to make money what is called smart pages. Okay, not web pages, smart pages. Now listen, here's the site right here, dollarsprout.com. Okay, please write that down. Listen, this is not a sponsored video. I don't know the owner of this company. I'm not getting paid for these people, but this site earns about $150,000 per month. And honestly, they don't sell anything, right? It's crazy, right? But I'm going to show you what they're doing and what you can do if you're a bit motivated to begin this process and understand making money online doesn't have to be a hard fee. As a matter of fact, if you're brand new, if a beginner, if you're willing to lay in your bed like Wesley Virgin here, right? If you want a bed like this, smash the like button. So, yeah, I mean, anybody can do it. So look, this site here has side hustles, you know, and so basically you can make money with apps, paid surveys here. And I know what you're thinking, well, Wesley, how are they making money? Just pay attention here. Listen to the very end. Look, so basically this site just recommends different ways to make money, paid surveys here, right? You can do surveys like swag bucks. You can make money with Survey Junkie. And these sites, they actually pay you a ton of money just by doing different type of tasks on the internet. And this site, Dollar Sprout, they're the site that people come to basically get all this information here, right? Now, the question that may be pervasive in your mind is, well, how are these people making money, Wes? If they're not selling anything, it's just a regular generic site, right? It's not even designed super well. It just has a couple of links here, right? We got some pop-ups right here. But see, the thing is, one, write this down, they're providing value. They're helping people make money or giving them options. Now listen, this is how they're making a ton of money. And this is what you can do too to make a ton of money as well. They're giving massive value. How? Well, understand this. Every link that you see here, right? I got to get my charger. Like, look, every link that you see, it's an affiliate link, okay? Does that make sense? Every link, look, every link that you see here, look, let me show you something here. You see this link here? That's going to go to another page like this, okay? Then you're going to see a video, okay? And once you see that video, okay, and you're making money here, side hustles, cash back, you click here. So the thing is, anytime they recommend something, these are all links. These are affiliate links. So what this guy or girl has done, which has done a remarkable job, is called a smart page, because a web page is a website that makes $0. A smart page is a website that makes a ton of money here. Now, since we learned how to do that, you might say, well, Wesley, how is this beneficial to me? What can I do? Listen, you can create the same page. I want you to comment below and listen, model, okay? Look at me, model what other people are doing. You can go to Dollar Sprout and you can basically model everything that they're doing right now. They not only make money with affiliates, they have advertiser space as well. So they advertise other companies on the website. And the site itself probably costs about $10 per month to manage, okay? Now listen, I know what you're thinking. Okay, Wesley, I can model this, but Wesley, I'm not a website programmer, Wesley, right? I don't know how to code, Wesley. I'm a single mom, Wesley. I'm a non-techie. I'm old, Wesley. I'm too young. Listen, pay attention. This is going to blow your mind here. What if it was a way that this entire page here with a different name, different resources, within about 60 seconds, okay, it could be all done for you, okay? There's automated software right now available that would do this for you. Well, I know because I'm currently doing it right now. I'm building out 10 pages per month. So the goal is to get to about $1 million per month for me. Listen, even $1 million a year, wouldn't that be beneficial for you? So listen, this is what I'm going to do. If you want it, smart pages that can be built within seconds, okay? Right now, it's all about automated technology. Yes, you can spend some time and you can do it yourself. And it may take some time, some effort, but if you want fast results, which I want fast results, usually something like this to be built out is about $1,000. It's $1,000 because there's a lot of links, a lot of web pages, a lot of things that must be done on the programming side to make sure this is happening. Now listen, before you get too excited, hit the like button. This is what I want to do for 10 people right now. As you're watching this video, for 10 people, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Once you click it, for 17 bucks, that's crazy, right? But this is how, listen, I really want you to win. And I understand a lot of you are struggling here for, guess what, $17. First 10 people that click the link and get it, I'm going to give you the software today, and you're going to begin making money in the next 48 hours. All that means is you give them the website. Everything that you see here will be created to you. Listen, even $10,000 per month, which is absolutely feasible. When you'd be excited about that, you would. So like I said, the first 10 people, look in the description below. The smart pages, these are created within seconds. You set it up, and everything that you see here will be created by tonight. For the first, I just hit myself in the eye. Smash the like button if you saw that. Let's go. So yeah, first 10 people for $17, not $1,000. But after that, it is $1,000 in the link below, 17 bucks. You'll get everything that you see here using smart pages generation. It's automated software that does it all for you. No work, just a little bit in the beginning here, but once you get it now, you'll be excited, you'll be happy, and you'll understand that making money online is simple using smart pages here. Hey, this is Wesley $1 Billion Virgin. Smash the like button if I gave you any value. Like I said before, first 10 people who want this for 17 bucks, it is yours. Your life could change, or maybe not, but I know this: if you start to make some changes in your life will start to change. This is Wesley $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Love you.